Broadcasting, baby. Sound quality okay? Dude, I'm doing a live stream, but like for sure I'm not gonna get the chance to. No way I'm gonna get through this without getting interrupted and do 10 different jobs. Guys, I'm live on YouTube, but like for sure I'm gonna get like asked to do stuff.
Yeah, what are you doing it?
Eh?
What are you doing it?
Just live trading, dude. There's a ADAP is a huge stock. It's the biggest, probably one of the biggest trades of the year. So,
Okay.
um,
What is it about? What are you talking about?
I'm gonna trade it live. I'm already up a couple of hundred on it, but I'm gonna trade it live. So that is just, I'm just gonna show some stuff. So guys, I'm ADAP. It was $100 borrows, but worth it. I'm all out. I was short 605 cover in the 560s. Took 50 cents back, taking. Let us show you. I'm going to show you exactly what happened. I just don't know the account number, so I'm going to show you something on Word. Share screen. Word. So I just want to quickly show you Word, and I'll show you the trade for today. Yeah, there's no account number there. Hate that. So this is what I've done so far. This is my account. I've got over 2,000 in, but the first trade like took some of the cash out. But I'm up. I took $186, and I short from 610 to 530s, 540s. But I'm not entering just yet. We'll look at what I've got an active order here. You can see, got an active order at the short at 568. But I'm going to be very careful with this because it can be very volatile. It can go anywhere. The borrows, the cost of the borrows, you can see was 10, 24, 34, 64. Paid $74 on the borrows. I'll probably be able to get credits back for about $20. So that's 64.54. So the borrows will cost us $50. But I've got potential 1,200 at $5, which is it's like it's a $6,000 position-ish. You take $6,000 and this stock is up like 500%. So if I can get 20% on a $6,000 position, it's at $1,200. I've already made like a $50, $60 back on just this little short pre-market. So I have, I'm up like 120 on the day so far, but I haven't even traded the open. But if I don't trade it, I might not trade it because it has a penchant to be volatile. But that's pretty much that. So I'll close that down and let's go on stocks to trade. You guys all there? You guys can all hear? Where you guys from? Let's open stocks to trade. So me first, and is the connection strong and stuff? Me first short was on this lower high because I saw like it. I saw it break out of yesterday's high. The overall daily chart is this. It's generally a bad long-term chart. It's had a terrible history. They've had this really big volume day of like 58 million. So far, it's only traded 3 million, and it's coming up the market open in the next half an hour. So you'd expect it might trade about 20, 25 million, which means it does have potential to be very scary. It does have potential to go higher. It's not like a clean first red day. It's still quite aggressive, which is why I'm still being a bit careful. And then this is like the previous day action. Like you can see how it rips up here, and it only ripped on like it traded 800,000, and it went from 2 to 4 on 800,000 volume. And it has the potential to do that again today, which is why right now I have no position right now. I'm up. I've made $120. There's no need to be back in this. Basically, my strategy was pre-market. It made this breakout on 560 from the previous day high. And it didn't. This is the new high, but it didn't quite push and break out as expected. Started to come down, so I shorted this lower high, covering, adding a little bit into this bounce, and then covering down in the 550s, 540s. I only took the $402,000 position and made $200. I made roughly $2,000. The question is this stock dead? Is it gonna rip and squeeze? Is it gonna hit higher day and fail? Like no one really knows what's gonna happen here. So we just have to kind of play it by ear and wait and see. But I mean, a few things are going to happen. It's either going to spike up hit the resistance and fail, and it's going to be dead all day, or it might spike up at the resistance, consolidate and squeeze, or it's just going to wash out and go down all day. Like, we can't really predict what's going to happen. So really all I can do is work out a good risk reward. But let me first just undo these lines, and I'm going to have to figure out a plan together. A lot of trading's kind of in the moment, but I want to trade this as safely as possible. If I do miss the trade, then I miss the trade. But right now it's looking pretty dead, but I'd never say never with this stock. It's capable of doing crazy things. Let's see if it's the top percent here now. No, RTIX is the top percent here now. Then it's TRXE. Yeah, there's a lot of stocks trading a lot of volume, which means ADAP might get forgotten about today. In an ideal world, ADAP will get forgotten about. So I just need to kind of figure out, Jack Christine, what's up, bro? ADAP probably will get forgotten about with all of these runners, but then never say never. Get propped, anything could happen. So let's just work out an appropriate risk reward. I mean, ideally it does go higher, because I can't play it down here, because then what's my risk reward? I'm obviously playing, I want to play higher days, 650. I want to really stop out 670, 680 is my risk. But to do that, I obviously need, and guys, if I have to go quiet or something, I'll take the headphones out, I'll mute it, I'll be back, don't worry. For sure I'm back for market open. I'm glad I'm out. I'm glad this is popping back up. Like I say, I've got no position right now. I think I've got, oh shit, I've took the line off. I've got an initial entry at 5. The initial entry is, let's take a look. Keep that open. I've got an initial short at 568, but it's only 200 shares. It might hit that already. Oops. The boss is gonna like come talk to us any second and be like, do this, do that. And we're like, no. So let's see. What the fuck is going on? I can't move this. Let's think how we're gonna play this. We're stopping out in the 670s, so I can't really be shorting in the. I can short a little bit in the 570s, like 200, and then I'm gonna be adding like 400, 600 in the 630s. Don't want to be going too far behind too early. Honestly, I might even take it. I'm gonna take this order off. But then there's the option that it could hit this, because this is the previous day high. This is an important level. I think it's okay to short 581, just 200 shares, just to have a starter position, just to feel it out. I'll short 580. I'm changing it from 568 to 580. Just to get a feeler, just to get a starter, and then the next is it's 80 cents. What's 80 cents? It's about 12%. 12% on $1,000. I'm going to be immediately 100, but nah, I'm going to take it off. Not risking it, because I'm going to be immediately $100 down. If this spikes straight through and I'm short here and it goes to here, I'm immediately $100 down, and I'm only bloody $120 up on the stock. So I think what I'm going to have to do, if I take 620 with risk on 650, 660, that's like 40 cents, which is about 8%. That would be 8%. 8% on $1,000 is $80. Yeah, it's a tough one. I mean, this is almost. I might miss out on this trade because I'm not going to get any risk reward. The best thing I want to do is try and hit the top with a small amount of size, and then short into all the bottoms going full size. But if it washes, then the worst case scenario, it's going to wash. Best case scenario, it's going to push, and I'm going to short into the spike. But I'm just going to watch first and see how mental it goes, because like you've seen how it can rip. You can see how the volume can come in and how it can rip the next day too. It is massively overextended. It's went from the 1s to the 6s. It's a perfect red day short, even though it's not red, but kind of is red because I'm playing off this resistance level. It's not higher than its previous day high. It's a good short. I think shorts will pile into this. I'm quite sure shorts will pile into this in the open, but like I say, anything can happen. I'm using leverage. It's risky. I don't want to gamble when I'm up. This month so far, I'm up 10,600 into $2,000. So I'm up or 2,100 or something. I'm up like $1,300 this month. Well, including this one. Now I'm up like $1,400 this month. I don't want to blow it on a stupid trade. I don't want to get emotionally involved in a stupid trade. And honestly, I'm meant to be meeting someone later on, so I don't want to. I don't want to do. But yeah, I mean, I'm not trading right now, so we can look at other tickers. Guys, comment your tickers, thoughts, whatever. I'm going to be trading so safe on this. I've made 120 bucks after borrows. I'll just be trading safe. So tell us your tickers, tell us what you want to look at, and I'll give an analysis. Deep, I'm so glad you do these. I look forward to these every day. Yeah, man, I try. Like, work's pretty busy. It's hectic right now. I'm surprised I'm even getting away with not being disturbed. I probably will get disturbed, but it's like work's finished, but like you always get asked to do stuff like 6, 7 o'clock. So I'm trying my best, man. If I keep on making money, I need to quit. But to make that's the other thing. The philosophy is now, like, I'm not here to make money. Like, for this trade, I'm not doing this trade to make money. I'm doing it to practice discipline. This is extremely volatile. It's extremely lucrative, has potential to make an extreme lot of money, but I'm not thinking about the profits. I'm thinking about being disciplined. How can I form a great trade plan? And how can that means that if I stop out, I only lose 50, 60, 70 bucks. Like, I want to say I want to risk maximum like 80 bucks to make a couple of hundred. And then once I make a couple of hundred, I'll average in more and more and more to like, because once I'm already in profit, then I can add to the winner, and then it lowers me risk and it maximizes me potential reward. But this is practice and discipline. Crazy day, man. We just released the commercial date for an MG Motors vehicle. It's insane. Yeah, so C is like, what's your daily risk limit? Like, I can't determine one right now, so I might miss the trade, even though I've paid 120 bucks for the borrows. No, I paid 70 bucks for the borrows, but 50 if I credit them. Can't determine it right now, so I'm not jumping in. I've been squeezed too many times, chasing, having FOMO, fear of missing out. I'm just not trading. Nice. What's your risk on the trade? Same as before. What up, brother? What up, Jack? Nice to see you, man. What we pumping, Ross? Yeah, someone tells if Ross is pumping ADAP, so I can like short the shit out of it. Check some other tickers. I will. Guys, what tickers do you want us to check? Shout out from LA. Thanks, Bobby Joe. Nice to see you. TRXC. Let's have a look. TRXC is a recent reverse split from 17 to 23, so it's a super reverse split, which means its float's probably tiny. It's obviously a trash company that keeps reversing its split and then reverse splitting and diluting shares. Right now, it's obviously capping up big, but I think I don't like shorting recent reverse splits. They're scary because you don't know what the float is. You can work it out, I don't know. So all you can really do is wait till the market open. Yeah, like this kind of thing here. It's probably going to go down. It's a shit company. They've done a reverse split to raise money, and now they've gapped the stock up and they're going to short it into the gap up. So basically, what you want to be doing is it's probably going to fail, but never say never. It's a really low float and it can be easily manipulated. So what you need to do is just try and get the best risk reward or don't take the trade. So, I mean, for me, it's the high of the day is 289, so you need to be out by 3. I'd feel comfortable shorting this. I'd short, if I want to be really safe, I'd short a quarter of the position here. I'd short a quarter here, and I'd put the final half on in the 280s, and if it blows through 3, you're out. You can have a 270-ish, 275 average, but it's more than likely that it's going to fail, and you're risking 30 cents, so you've got a 270 average. It's probably going to come down to the 220s. So you're risking 30 cents to make 50 cents, but it's probably going to fail. I don't like the 2 million volume. I'd be too scared to take this. If anything, if you really want to take it, it's too risky. Maybe just short the short the spike to higher day, short 276, risk 20 cents. And then it's 20 cents to make 40 or 50 cents. It's 2.5 to 1. Or ideally, let it spike, come down, short the double top, short the lower high. If it washes, short the higher low. But I wouldn't be getting too heavy into this now because that's how it's been ripped through. Cheers, take yep, just waiting for the market to open. TRXC, it's a short, but I wouldn't jump into it. RTIX is up 100%. It's crazy. Everyone's leaving work. That's a good sign. RTIX is a high float, but it's like gapped up to like almost highs of the day. It's this sold some of its assets or something, or it sold something. I was looking earlier. It doesn't look very volatile. It looks like it's going to gap up and not do anything. XBit, it's a pretty high price stock. Shout the tick as brosibs. XBit looks like a reverse split as well, and it is a reverse split for sure. Then it opened at 22 and went immediately down to 19. This will have a lowish float as well. It's since gapped to 27. It's the same as the other ticker. And it's same as TRXC. They're both reverse splits that have gapped up. XBit's the same kind of thing. It's like you can short 30 risk and 31 high a day, but better let it. It's probably coming down. Honestly, it's probably coming down. It's probably a junky company. I mean, I don't know. Let's see. It's going back 5 years. I don't know. It doesn't hold its highs. It doesn't have multiple green days in a row. It seems to be doing weird things where it's opening lower, doing reverse splits, and then it's doing offerings. Like that looks like it might have been an offering and it's just dropped straight away. This looks like it's a reverse split for sure, and it's just sold all the shares. It's probably going to go down, but I wouldn't chase it down. I'd short the lower high. I'd short either near this resistance level in the 30, take a short, risk 31, or let it spike, drop, short the higher low, short the higher low, but with a risk on the double top, or let it wash out at the open, don't chase it down, and short as it kind of bounces. But like it's just about getting good risk reward, that's all. And then if it bounces higher than it opens, you've got to cut it. It's just all about having good risk reward. Let's have a look at ADAP, see what it's doing. I hope it's coming back up. Yeah, ADAP's in the 555s. Ideally, this should squeeze up. Someone's got, it's squeezing back up. It's trying to, which is perfect for me. Like, cause I don't have a position at all. And I don't want it to like wash out and I miss the trade, then it's down too much and I can't take it. So, yeah, see, it's got a bit of momentum. It might squeeze up and squeeze loads of shorts. It might squeeze up all the way up to the 6s and then break 650 and have another huge day. Like, you've got no idea. Dun, dun, dun. What up, boss?
Are you speaking?
Yeah, it's okay. I'm just recording something, but it's fine.
I think tomorrow we need to go to ADAP.
So run throughs at like 10 or something?
Eh?
We've got to run through 10 till 11 or something?
Yeah. What time we have to go there?
We'll have to be there for 1 o'clock, I think. So we'll leave at 11:30 to get there for 1, then 1 till 2 Aldar, then get back 3:30, then 3:30 till 4:30 the producer.
I would prefer that if you can do without me on that.
I don't mind, I can do it.
Yeah.
But Rudy was asking what I'm doing for Aldar, and I said I'm presenting it, and he was saying it was important and you should come.
I mean,
yeah, because it's a big project, big client. But for me, I'm sure I'm comfortable to do it. I can split the sites with Victor, but I just think Rudy wanted you there for seniority because it'll be the biggest thing we've ever won if we win it.
we need to stay there at 1. Be there at 1.
Yeah, 1 till 2 probably.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, guys. It's talking business, but I'm glad I didn't get asked to do anything. Any other tickers, any news? I'm just doing this so like if I make $1,000, I can be like, look, I made $1,000 and it's all on live stream. That's why I'm recording. I'm sorry if it's a little bit boring. I was nearly going to short 568, so I'd love to see it rip through 568 because I'm trying to be disciplined. I'm not trying to be disciplined, I am being disciplined. I think this potentially could squeeze up for sure. It's up 40%. The volume's pretty high. I mean, it's bullish and bearish indicators, so I'm trying to stay away from the moment. Let's have a quick look on Twitter and see what people are saying about it on Twitter. I'll just show you guys the browser so you can see what I'm looking at. Oh, wow, that's amazing. I can select what tab you see. So, guys, this is what me Twitter looks like. Live trading ADAP. No, thanks, Ryan Sebin and Jonathan, for retweeting that. Wayne's like, be careful. Twitter's been on fire recently. Yeah, it's up 1,200. I'm up way more than that. I've made $500. Made like $500 since tweeting that, 600 including today. So I must be up about 1,800 $1,800 in the first 14 days of the month. It's really good on a $600 account. So I should triple it at least if I don't fuck up today. Thank you for the retweets and likes. Oh, look, there's me. Oh, just checking that you guys can see all the right stuff. Yeah, that's cool. I said something the other day that was pretty cool. I just want to look at a tweet that I just said something that I want to reiterate to myself just out of importance. I said, yeah, it did really well. 12 retweets and 130 likes. This was yesterday. I made $300 yesterday, shorting Trill, I think it was. Shorted Trill and I shorted Dare. I'll go through them in a sec. But the day you make $300 to $500 without any sentimental happiness is the day you're beginning to be a real trader. Your thoughts are not on the profits, but maintaining them and remembering to be disciplined. Profits are the enemy of discipline. So I've been riding really well. I've tripled my account 600 to roughly 1,800, I think. And I'm thinking, oh, I'm on a good run. I should take leverage, take size, but I just, it's not about taking profits for me anymore. It's about being disciplined. And thank you guys to whoever RT'd that. I'll just go back to stocks to trade and I'll show you. Yeah, this is pushing through 66, 68. Shorts are still going to get squeezed. This should come back up to the sixes, I hope. I'd be nearly getting filled in. I've been in this situation before when I've been early and I'll make profit, but I didn't get the perfect risk reward. Just sharing on Twitter. Stop. Let's go back to stocks to trades, guys. Or I will check the filings, or I will. Deep, I saw on your block, do yeah, should block this. Check the filings, or I will. Yeah, Jack, check the filings, please. I'll check them in a sec, and I'm just going to reboot up stocks to trade. On here, so you guys can see. I'm just going to get my laptop, guys. I'm pretty bored anyway. Oh shit, what happened? Yeah, I'm going to get my laptop, guys. We've got 15 minutes till the market opens. Dun, 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 dun. Someone's left the phone in charge. Jesus Christ. Tell your friends to watch these live streams. I'm not going to do them. Do them for you guys. But I'm sure when I release the video and tweet it and be like, all right, I made this money. If I do make the money, maybe I won't make the money. You guys can hear okay? Audio levels are fine. Just someone say yes, please. This looks like it's killing up and it's going to go through. I just don't know whether. So I'm taking a starter. It's in the like, it's still so far away from a starter. Look at that fade as well. I should be probably short here, but I'm just too bloody goddamn scared. Just too goddamn scared. 568. What do you guys think? All right, what do you guys think? Should I take a starter position in ADAP again? If you join in later, I'm up 180 bucks on it already. I shorted it from the. No, it looks like it's changing trend. I shorted from like the 630s and covered in the 560s. Took about 8%, 180 bucks. There's no problem with the screen and stuff, right? It's cool. The filings, I really want ADAP to squeeze. So I wanted just to get closer to my risk reward. Come on, you fucker. Like, if I miss out, I miss out. By the way, ADAP is a shit company and it loses money. But the stock market is irrational and no one cares. I don't see an effect form. Shit. 9th of November 2019. Oh my god, guys, they've got a fucking effect form. Oh my god, Al Reed, how's it going? I'm just on the internet. Why are you gonna cry? Who did you lash out to? Oh my god. It's kind of on the internet. You're on a live stream, but it's okay. I don't think they can hear you.
Can you check my email with the documentary copy?
Check. Okay, one sec. Sorry guys, I have to do real work, which I get paid to do.
What he gets paid for?
I want to hear about this thing with that person. What do you think? What? Who? After whose internal review? Ezra's. I thought it was you. Going behind me back.
No.
It's like, what? I am the man of copy. After our internal review, we came up with. What did I raise? Yeah, theirs is better than mine.
She says they don't want to have a negative connotation.
Because we didn't ask the question.
The kid doesn't want to visit his.
That's what the video is about.
I know.
No, it's cool. I don't care. If it sounds okay, it's shorter, it's positive, and there's tension in it.
And we'll put some hashtags at the bottom.
But the thing is though, like the whole point. The point is though, like why would a boy want to hide from the grandma? It's a hoop to watch, so it's missing the hoop. But no, like can this lovable boy hide in the all new spacious MG? No one cares. Why would you care? But can he?
Why is he hiding?
No, but why would anyone care? But why can he hide from his grandma? Why would a boy? Why would? No, mine's better, but let's just please the client. It'd be funny if Hibax's secret trade and she's like, that's the conversation. But I doubt it. Nah, just go with what they want if they really want to, but tell them we disagree because there's more interest. But just do it because there's a shorter.
Just do it because it's 6 o'clock.
And it's 6:20, and the market's about opening. I don't want to be bothered. All right, guys, we're hitting 662. Guys, there's fucking there's an effect form, which means there's warrants which might go out, but I don't know how many. And I don't think they haven't diluted. So the form went out in November, and they haven't really. It doesn't look like there's been any volume for any dilution. So ADAP might be like a really good short all day. I could make a lot of money on this. But let it push through here, and I'm just going to take like 100 shares. So I can't read that dilution form right now, and I've only got 10 minutes to go to the market. So I'm just going to have to trust. Come on, get through. I need it to rip up, and then I'll take a starter into the rip up. 619, and it's not near its highs. I think this is going down, guys. I'm taking a starter. Because it's not pushing, and the market's about to open. I'll give it 2 more seconds, and then I'm taking a starter. Let it rip. Come on. It's trying to rip through. Nah, it's failing, though. And if it drops, yeah, it could be over. Nah, it could be over. Took a short. 562. 200 shares. Because it's looking a bit weak. But if I do this, I'm going to have to lower my risk reward because I'm lowering the high. Yep, look at that. As soon as I took me short, it'll rip up. It's not yet, like, oh, I'm getting a phone call. Shit. It's all going on at once. But I'm just going to have to send a WhatsApp. Jesus Christ, I'm getting like phone calls. It's 10 minutes to the open. Yeah, this looks like it's going down. I'm not taking, but I want to risk higher day, so me next short has to be like 605. I'll put a short in. In like 629, I'll put like 400 in. And then if it gets near the risk, or if it goes mental, I'm just gonna have to be out, sadly. I didn't want to do this, but it looks so weak. And there's so many other stocks, and now I find out that there's an effect form. Like, I didn't want to, like, and I didn't want to gamble, but it looks like the move's just over. I'm still going to play super safe. I mean, like, I'm short now, just 200 shares. I've got 1,200, so I'm 1/6 of my position. But it just looks weak, and it's got the effect forms. So what did someone just sent us? Jack just sent us on Twitter. Let's have a quick look at the filings. I presume that's what you've sent us. Or did you send us a private message? Yeah, you sent a private message. Oh, dude. So I can't read that properly. Dude, just comment. Capital request funds. I can't read that. Offering. Direct offering. Subject. Was it 2018? But they might still not have done it. Yeah, this could tank all day. Let's see where I'm at now. I'm up 20. Look at this. Jesus Christ, it's looking weak. So I'm up $20 straight away. But like if this washes at the open, I'm gonna have to probably build into a position quite quickly, and I'm gonna risk if this washes, I'm gonna short into it quite strong on the bounce. My risk is 580. I'll just take it all off at 580. I can't go heavy when it's washing like this and risk 653. Then this is the previous day high, so arguably a better risk. So if it spikes, I'll short into the spike. I've built in a position now, so I can't really risk this 650. My overall theory from experience is that this stock is not going to be strong. It's going to be done. If it's very volatile at the open and it surprises us, then I'll just cut it. I'm not risking from the 640s. My guess that from this fade is it's up too much. I see an effect form. There's other stocks in play. It's been an all-day field. It can't even ramp up pre-market and be aggressive. My guess is that this is going to be some sort of spike in all-day fade or a fade, based on the last 10 minutes. So I'm basically, if it washes here, my risk is going to be around the 576s, and I'll build in. If it spikes heavy, if it doesn't retrace quite quickly or straight away, if it looks to build, I'll take some off, or I'll just take all of it off. That's right now. I'm up I'm up $200, but I'm up $10 on the position. I've got an ad at 605 and 630. But my overall thesis is that this is done now. I can tell. What's up?
So I will join you tomorrow.
Okay.
My question is, I don't remember exactly the deck.
Me neither.
Tomorrow.
It's okay. We'll go. I told Victor to send me the deck tonight. So if you want the deck, I can go through it tonight.
No, it's fine.
But
I don't remember if we put any video content. No.
There's no video content.
It's 2 ideas, no?
No.
One is the monument, but
The graffiti and the book.
Video content because they are the stories of these hidden others.
Yeah, but there's no actual dynamic that we created.
Yeah, they are not the stories or stuff like that. But we need to short or to edit these stories.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And for the book, the kids materials, we have some animations. I think.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. I can't remember. But I'll go through it tonight or tomorrow morning with you. Oh my God. Like, this is why. There's a girl I'm dating's been like, what time are you meeting us? And I'm like, I'm not meeting you. I'm stuck in a fucking trees. I'm like saying to her, I'm like, I'm so sorry, I'm stuck at work, I'm dating this girl, and we're trying to make something work. I just pray that the screen, like I'm being risky here because sometimes it can't run. Jack, look at the S3 at the bottom. They have 75 million ATM. Yeah, if they dump the ATM, yeah, I need to have a bigger position, but like I'm just a bit scared. You don't know what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna play it safe, and I just pray this doesn't. I'm only in 1/6 of a position. Normally, I'm in about a third, but I'm too scared. I am not losing stupid amounts of money. Like if I'm just not. We're nearly over 50. Guys, tell your friends to watch, man. We're nearly over 50 subs. I need over 50 if I'm going to continue doing this. Um, I'm down $2. It's nothing. $4. I do not want this. So basically, I'm short 562, 6 and 630, which will give us about a 610 average. But I'm expecting this will might spike a little bit. Let's if it rushes up, yeah, I might take some off. Because it's not really. It looks like it's going to wash out the open to me because it's trying to push, but it just can't. Like it's trying to, but it's just not getting through this. It's not even getting through this 560 level. Then it's got to break the 578 previously high. Then it's got to break here, and it's a 60 million float. Like but it moved the other day, but it's washing. Jesus Christ. Should I have some balls and take an extra 200? Oh, I should be in deeper, but I'm just not doing it. This is gonna wash. I can already tell it's gonna wash. Taking another 200 because I just feel like it's for sure it's washing. Every time I do this though, I have to like lower my risk reward. So if this is volatile in any way, I'm gonna have to get out in the first 2 minutes. And I'm live streaming, so it's gonna be difficult if it freezes. But I mean, I'm up 180 bucks on it. It looks very weak. I mean, did it do this yesterday? No, yesterday it just gapped up and ripped. So the question is, am I adding this extra 200 because I've got fear of missing out? I don't think so. I think it looks so weak that I've got to alter the trade plan. And I'm in like a third size. I'm not in a lot. Oof, I thought that was the Italian again. I'm like, dude, stop it. Stop asking these questions. Like, wrong time, 1 minute. Tell me market opens. Thank you so much. I need it. I'm scared. How much have I got left? How many shares have I got? So I've got 200 in market in as well. Yeah, I want to be full size of it. Yeah, it's not. Let's see if we got a little push. What we got? I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little bit nervous. Like I'm short. I'm using leverage. The stock's risky. I'm relying on. I'm relying on. I'm not shorting off. I'm not shorting off this level anymore because I can't because I've lowered my plan. So if it goes here and I'm wrong, I've just got to cut it straight away, and I'll probably end up flat because I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose it like 200 bucks. Yeah, it's washing. I thought it was gonna wash. Market's open. Okay, we're getting a wash, yeah. It's what I wanted. That's what I anticipated. But I'm only in 400 shares, so I'm not really making much money. Yeah, this looks like it's an offering. This is the typical action of an offering. It might come back up. We'll see. I'm not covering. I'll put covers in like 505. 505, I'll cover. And I'll cover like 485. My hands are shaking because I'm scared. Then I'm deleting these shorts because I didn't get them off because it panicked down. Oh, up. Let's see what happens here. It looks like, let's see what happens. This could be a washout and it could run. It's tricking everyone. So I'm down like 20 bucks. I don't want to see strength yet. If this rips up, like all the shorts are screwed. It looks like it's kind of struggling. I'm going to short 200 here, but I'm going to have to get out if it pushes through. Looks like it's struggling. Short another 200 because it's not managing to get through. But it's holding. I need a washout here. I'm doomed. Can't seem to get through the 580 level, but it's really trying. It's through. Gonna have to take this off if it doesn't come down. Nope, we've got to pull back. This doesn't pull all the way back, I'm out. Sad day for the Jeeves. Sad day. I'm hanging around a little bit, but I'm probably out. Let's see. It's a sad day for the Jeeves. I'm like up on the stock, but not by a lot. Should have stuck to a trade plan, brother. See what happens. This is trading mental volume. Now this can't make a higher day. If this makes a higher day, I'm out. And I risked this, and this is more volatile than I thought. It seems to be coming down. I'm nearly back green if this comes down, but I think I need to downsize. Let's see what happens. So I'm in too much with not a good enough average. So if it drops a little bit more, I'm pretty much back to unrealized. I'm back to flat. I'm just in a lot. Yeah, I'm nearly back to flat now. This needs to wash. Yay! And he's up. So now I've got to be scared of like the double bottom because shorts are going to cover again. Like this area and this area is pretty scary. We need collapse, yeah. Wow. Covered 300 shares there just to take some profits. It's scary. Still got 500 in. I'm up 400 bucks now. Oh my God. 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 What? Come on. It's bouncing. How much is it going to bounce though? Covered another 200. I've got 300 in though. I just want to lower my position because it's going to bounce and it could rip all the way back up. Let's have a short at 574. I'm putting another short in for 200. Oh, not 55. Yeah, rejected it. 574. I'm shorting lower highs after this, unless it does something stupid now. I think I've missed it. Oh, it was such a puss. Such a pussy. Such a pussy. How many of you guys are watching this? 42. Let's try and get this bounce at 575. Looks like it's washing. It's doomed. Very close to being doomed. Not chasing it down though. I'm all right. I've still got one in. Should have kept that other 200 in. That was stupid. I've got 300 in from 565 now. I'm trying to get an ad at 575 if it pops up. This is looking weak. It's got a bad long term. The volume's scary though. For me, I think it's nearly done. If it doesn't pop up here, it's done. And if it's done, I'm going to go full size and into bounces. So still it's trying. Oh, that's scary. This is why I reduce size so much. What's me add to 574? I can't see. It's not pushing. Short. It looks like it's going to reject. So I've just shorted another 200 at 558. Just looks like it's going to come out. It's struggling too much. Hoping for a big red candle here. Yeah, this is it. Nice. That's reading price action, baby. That is reading price action. What a dream. Jesus Christ. So I'm in 500 of 1100. It'll probably bounce on this level. I don't want to keep on adding and taking off, but 523, because I think it'll bounce at that level. And then basically that means if I short it at 560 and cover it at 523, just 200, that's like 40 cents. I'm taking 8%. 8% just on that. I think it'll bounce on this level before it's done. It's done though. Like, I'm even going to put 200 at like 503, just in case it really, really drops. Like, this could really drop, because like there's all of these people. I mean, how many shares have traded? Like 500,000, a million, about 2 million people's shares are in this. So if it drops and they're all long, everyone's going to be fucked. Descending triangle here. This will have a big drop because there's so much consolidation, and there's so much consolidation here. There could be a very big drop if this drops. Needs to break these lows though. Yeah, watch for this drop. I think I'll get 523, but it could really drop. Everyone's going to bail on this last second. And if there's warrants, Jesus. Last minute saves. What am I up? I'm up 423 bucks. Actually, I could make a grand a day if it all goes to plan. A grand on a, what was it, $600 account. This is going to snap all of a sudden, I swear. Watch. Like, dude, I'm putting covers in the fucking 480. What have I got? I'm putting 482 covers in as well. Because if it goes, it could really go, and I want the covers in. What? Oh, I only have 100 left. Can't. Sad. Come on, snap, you fucker. This is gonna snap. So I'm pleased I live streamed this anyway. It was pretty cool. Chart isn't doing what you want. Yeah, I was close. I mean, I was close to cut. I would have lost $50 on the trade overall, but like I risked losing $50, and I'm up now 400 or something, so it's worth it. 400. We're getting a bounce here. I'm so disappointed I didn't get it. It came down to 525. That's 2 cents off getting me a little fill there. It's sad. Just one more washout and this is completely over. It's pretty over, but one more washout and it's totally over. You've got to be careful of the high or low of the double bottom. A lot of longs play this, but it's close to being over. Yeah, I'm 12 cents off of me first cover. Long's got to be bailing now. It's not going to bounce, guys. If the 30s go again, that's it. Come on. I want to put the headline on YouTube. Oh, bouncing. I want to put the headline on YouTube. Look, I made $1,000 today. Here's the live trade. Look what I did. But not yet. Not yet. I could be out of this with a loss. Not a loss, but I could be out of this. If this comes back up and rips, like I could be out for a break even still. Don't get comfortable yet, guys. Not there yet. Oh, this is a little rip up. This is easily a double bottom and can go right back to a double top. How much size have I got? 500. Not being scared out of the trade, but it's risky that this could pop. It's a double bottom pop. I'm in quite a decent size. Yeah, look, here's a little squeeze for sure. It's getting sold. It's getting shorted into go. This is strong. Don't want to give up my profits on this. Gotta just be brave. Have conviction. Stay in your plan. Looks scary, but in hindsight, it might not be. There's a wick on that, so I've shorted another 200. But it's getting volatile again. That could be a mistake. But I've seen this before and they get stuffed. It scares people out, but I rarely see any rip up. Rarely. Yeah, that could have been a good short. Could have been a good ad. Just really want to see this wash out now. Because I don't think it's going to rip up, but it's still scary. Like I'm in, what, 700? Well, I've got 500 more. Added another 200. That's a little mini double top there. I'm just trying to build my position up for the ultimate fail. Which I'm hoping is now, if it rips up now, I'm going to have to cover and I've lost it. I need a wash, yeah. Strong. Kind of putting it on the line now for a washout, making these ads, trying to make best use of my position size. I'm in 900 of 1,100 shares now, and I need a big wash. Naturally, it would come around now. It's not coming yet. It's fine to expect a higher low from the double bottom. I can take that. It's fine that it's going to bounce. Stocks don't go straight down. That's why I'm shorting into this. But I would not there. There's the big crack. Very nice. I'm up over 560 now. I've got covers 523 and 503. Come on, I'm so close to getting covered, guys. Come on, give me a break. It's only 200 I'm being covered. Come on, give me a break. It's got to collapse now. And I've got good size. I'm up 500. Do not bounce again. I'm shorting another 200 into this because I think it's done. Just took another 200 and that little pop on 544. So I think it's going to collapse. The double bottom fail. That's a big red. Yeah, come on. What am I in? Tell us. I'm in full size. He's in full size, 1,100. Go on, son. If it fails now, it's all over. And I'm in full size for it, which is great. It's not dying, though. It's not dying yet. All right, let's have covers all the way down first. 523, 503, 484, 464, 451, 2468. Like, I think these covers should all be free with Trade Zero as well. Come on. Let's see what you guys are seeing on stream. I think it's done. What did you look for in the finals? Get out at 6:44. That's now. I'm not getting out, dude. It's about to crack. What's your average? This is the big payday I'm waiting for. What did you look for in the finals? I didn't look at them. So close to it being over, but it's fighting for its life. My hands are shaking. I'm nervous. I'm not nervous for the trade. Like I'm not nervous on the trade because I'm up $500 on it. I'm nervous because if I can catch $1,000 on this, it's just monumental. I'm taking the 523. No, I'll not take the 5. Yeah, I'll take the 523 cover off because I think it'll wash harder than that. And I'll put like a cover in between in 470. I think I can make more money than that. I think it'll wash harder. So now I've got covers 5, 480, 460, 470, 5, 480, 470, 460, and 451. So if it drops $1, it's about 20%. I've got $5,000 in. 20% on $5,000 is $1,000. So I could make over $1,000 if this drops $1. If this drops to the 450s, yeah, I'll not make $1,000, but I'm gonna make 800. Oh no, that's not good. Spike. Don't do this to us, guys. Come on, just fucking wash. Don't put us through any more. Come on, that's it. 535, 534. Don't put us through any more torture. Not when I'm fucking $5,000 in. This is agonizing, guys. I'm up 500, but the fact that I could lose it in a second if something happens is agonizing. 34. Come on. Oh, guys, should I just take the $500? Should I just take the $500? Yes. Just stick to your plan. You're sounding greedy. I don't think I'm being greedy. I think this is gonna wash. It's got one more leg down. I'm not trying to get more money. I'm trying to play the chart the best possible way with the best risk reward possible. Is this the wash? Because you guys, like, you can see the descending triangle, right? It's playing this trend of a descending triangle, and there you go, it's through. Let's see what it washes here. But you've got the perfect descending triangle here. Now I really would like to see. I hope this goes further than that. But we want to see a huge panic here, otherwise I'm wrong. What's me cover? The first cover is 503. Jesus Christ. That's not quite the panic I expected. Let's see what the next candle is like. It's quite strong, that. It's not. I expected bigger panic. Let's see if the next candle follows through. If it doesn't, I might just take some off. I need to see another big red candle. This was the opening bottom, by the way. Bottomed, yeah, 519. So it's trying to support off the opening candle bottom, but it's fallen through. So maybe this will be the big red candle because it's supported off the 520s before. Or maybe it'll bounce. But really, until it breaks this trend line, I don't really think I'm going to get out. But it's agonizing when you're like so close. I'm like so close to me plan being complete. It's like on the edge of the opening drop. How painful is this? How painful? This has got to be the drop. 520s. Come on, I'm not adding anymore. I'm out. If this washes now, I'm out. Jesus Christ. I'm up 630 bucks right now. I've nearly got one of the covers off. I just need one more wash and one of the covers are off. 520s, 519s, 518s. Up 670 bucks. Come on. Where is the big wash? It's fighting. Who is long in this at this point? I've seen this before and I thought I should cover and then it drops. So I'm just holding out. Is that the drop? There's the 18s again. Big sizes being took off. There's a 2,000 order. 18 seems to be getting hit a bit. See what you guys are saying. Sorry, I left. What did you look for in the finals? It's going to grind, have patience. You mean like grind down? There must be a large buyer holding this up. Yeah, I think so. It's 15s now though, right? Yeah. 11s, 5s. Oh, come on, I'm out at the 2s, man. 502. Oh my God. Oh my God, I missed the cover by 3 cents. Oh my God. Fuck me. I'm up 750 bucks. 760, 750. I can't believe it, man. Come on, give us me cover. 5.8, 5.6, 5.5, 5.5. Give us me cover. Give us me cover. 502. Just cover 200 shares, man. This is unbearable. If this fucking pushes now, I'm gonna cry. It's getting down more and more. I'm getting scared. If it doesn't crack big, I'm like thinking about taking a lot off. Right now, give us me cover. 10s. It's 6s. If it doesn't panic down in a sec, I'm taking some off because it's too scary. Looks like a trend change to me. I'm in 1100s. Guys, I'm tempted to nearly take it all off in a second. Hang on. Looks like it's coming down again. God, I might tell you what might be interesting. Nah, look, it's getting strong. Getting a bit scared about this bounce. Getting scared about this, might take it off. I've just covered the loss for 700 bucks. That's scary. Looks like it's trying to change trend. Yeah, look at this. 700 bucks. Didn't get the 502 break. I don't think I want to trade this anymore. Let's see what happens. Shorts are going to get squeezed here, I think. Guys, I tried my best. Tried my best, guys. 524, 525. It's over. Nice job, bro. I really wanted the $1,000. Let's see if this squeezes up. It could fall any second and I'm being too safe. Look at this. I'm not shorting back in. I could short it all back in. 1 sec. Give it a sec. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's getting hammered. Back in. Got filled. I'm back in all of it. Got filled at 516. Let's see if this is the wash. Covers 503. 492. Shit. Shit. That's a mistake. Phew. 503. 492. It's not higher than the high rate. If it goes above 523, I've got to get out and I'm done for sure because it's strict as. I thought that was the end of the move. Hang on, guys. I still think this is backside. I always did. I just got scared by the volume. If it doesn't wash any second, I'm out though. I reshorted. I'm down $5. Yeah, it has a big drop. I think I was right to do it. I'm up $50 on the reshort. Oh, it's up and down. Yeah, I'm up like. Yeah, you see what I mean? Like it was just a little fake out. Like this stock is so far down to go. Dude, this stock is so far down to go, at least to the fours. But it might not be today. Shit. I just want to get out of my position on the last leg. No pain, no gain, guys. No pain, no gain. If it doesn't crash in a second, I'm out. I'm dead break even right now. It's weird. The time when it drops is when it looks most likely that it's going to push. I've learned that from the past. But if it does push and I'm wrong, then yeah, it's the risk you take, no? Oh my God, it's due the next leg down. Oh, come on. Is this it? Oh, this looks bullish. Might have to get out. No, this is looking bullish. Shit. See what happens here. Is it going to reject or is it going to go? Just 1 second. What's up?
Apparently, there is a change of brief from Vodafone.
Okay.
I'm going there. Can you come with me? Go with Victor to Cara tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah, just 2 seconds. I'll just finish this. Okay, gotta go. I'm out. Luckily I covered. No, I'm just on a just talking.